Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. Got an interesting little Hijet here. This one is a 2015. It's a Hijet Jumbo with a high roof and extended cab. It's got front fog lights, you can see there, spotlights, silver mirrors, they look quite good, silver door handles as well. Inside, nice and clean, seats in good condition, steering wheel nice as well. Let's start the engine. That's done 18,000 kilometers, about 11,000 miles. Got air con, four-wheel drive. Press this button, the four-wheel drive light comes on. That's a four-wheel drive engage. Automatic transmission. As I mentioned, it's a higher roof, so you've got a bit more headroom in here, and it's got this like a shelf at the front. It's pretty useful. Put your stuff up there. Got the extended cab as well. Usually on the normal cabs, the seats, they're right back to this bulkhead here, but this one's got a bit of space between there, so you can put some stuff in there, keep it out of the weather. What it also means is that the seats can fold back a bit more, so you can lay the seat back a bit. If that's how you like to drive, you can lay the seat right back as well. It's a normal three-side drop. Sides drop off, so you can still load this with a forklift truck. You've got a nice flat surface there, forklift truck can get onto and load that. Got a work light on the back, slightly tinted glass, looks quite good. This one's got power windows as well. So it's got air conditioning, heater in the cab, power windows, all enclosed cabin, so you can keep dry, keep warm, keep cool, whichever you need to do at a particular time. This one also has got a lift up on it. You can see there the block, you can see the adapter on the knuckle there. So this has got a 2.5-inch lift as well. If you thought a little bit higher, yes it is a little bit. So you can put bigger wheels on this, bigger chunkier tyres for off-road. With four-wheel drive it will do that. So if you're interested in a truck like this one is going to the United States. If you're interested in a truck like this, or you think you can become a distributor for us in the United States, have a look at SamuraiMini.com. There's a lot of information on there, a lot of videos of trucks, different shapes and sizes, and hope you find it interesting. Thank you very much.